I finally landed my first client. Oh my god. I feel so excited. Like I literally feel like screaming right now. Okay, this is the thing. Content creation is what actually helped me get my first client, and it is thanks to this YouTube channel. So this is how it went. I created a video last week and I posted here on YouTube. It was not even getting the attraction I wanted, and it's like even now it's not that high. It has like, I don't know, 300, 200 views, 250 views, and guess all these views came from where? TikTok. Yes, TikTok actually landed me my first client. So I had not, when I created this video, I posted it on YouTube and just gave it a brush because I knew I needed to repurpose it and create the short videos so that I can repurpose them on my TikTok and on my Instagram. But I was just too tired to do this because it was taking a lot of time and I literally could not deal with this. So as I was scrolling on TikTok, I saw this guy. He was talking about this app. It's called Opus Clips. So Opus Clips, it's an app that will help you to create your long form video to short form videos. And I immediately ran because you know what? It was for free. And I said, I am not missing on the Opus Clips videos. So I ran for it. I ran and I saw it on, I went to search on it on Google and I found it. I took the link to my videos and I placed it on that Opus Clips, and in less than 30 minutes my long form video was transformed to 10 short videos. And here is the gist. You know, I'm not Nigerian, but I love the name gist, so you can bear with me. So here is the real deal. I was able, you see, that video I had done most of it in Swahili, but this is the good thing about that app. It was able to translate my Swahili to English. So the captions were reading in English. So it gave me around 10 or 12 short videos that I started repurposing on my TikTok. And because my TikTok doesn't get really so many views, I just get like 200. If I go so high, I get 1,000 views. So I really did not put so much attention to it. I just repurposed because I just needed to, you know, push content to my TikTok so that it can look alive. I went on with my life. I normally don't go online most of the time because I try to do so many things. My virtual assistant job, I'm juggling motherhood, I'm juggling my digital product. So all these things were really holding me. I did not find time to go on the online space. Then I went on the online space, I think in the evening, and guess what? My TikTok was blowing. I was like, what the hell? What is happening? Literally, what is happening? I was getting over 100 followers in minutes. Like I was at 2,000 followers, and right now I'm close to 4,000 followers. Literally, and this is just within 3 days. If that does not surprise you, I don't know what. I was so surprised. Even up to date, I still go there. I still find people following me. I still find the video going viral because at now my views have just skyrocketed. From me getting 200 views to me getting almost 100 views on one video, because my highest video right now, it's close to 80 views. That thing just surprised me. I literally feel like I'm dreaming, you know, because the highest I've ever gone on TikTok, it's like 39 views, and that was in February. So I have never hit that again. And I never really found any pressure because to me I was like, you know, TikTok is just a place I can repurpose my content. I can just get at least 2-3 views who can come to my YouTube. And let me be honest, my video right now, the last video that I did for businesses you can start, here is the nini, all those views have come from TikTok. All those views have just come from TikTok because that video only had like 20 views when I posted it. It was not doing so well. But the moment I repurposed that content and I pushed it there, that is how I was able to get these views. So here's exactly what helped me. The first thing is the repurposing of the content. So Opus Clips really helped me, because you see, repurposing content, creating short form videos, it can be really tiresome. I won't lie to you, because now you have to go grasp, get all the things you need so that you can attract and hook people. But when I just placed that link in that app, it was able to bring me all those clips. And I also tried another app that also does the same job, and it's called VIDYO AI. I'll also leave a link to that VIDYO AI down here, because it helps you. You know, as a YouTuber, you have a lot of things. You need to create your thumbnail, you need to create the video, you need to edit it if you're doing all these things alone. And if you can get an app that will help you and just save you the time that you can actually be doing something else, why not? I will invest in it. So when I went and I tried this and it actually worked, I said I need to tell people. So that this first thing, repurposing your content, that is one thing that I can say it helped me. The second thing is me now posting my content to the right channel. And TikTok is one of those channels that I'll tell you, when something blows, it blows literally. So that is one thing I can say. So if you're on TikTok and you're a YouTuber, then try and repurpose your content there. And don't forget, in every video, please leave a caption that you can check the full video on my YouTube channel. The link is on my bio. That way you are driving traffic from TikTok to your YouTube channel, because I have also gained up to, because I had 170 followers and right now I am at 220 followers on YouTube. So it has also brought me followers. So a win-win. I mean, it's a win. This is why I'm saying you repurposing your content and placing it on TikTok will add you a lot. And I know that one of the biggest thing when it comes to repurposing is creating those short videos. So VIDYO AI can actually save you a lot and help you as a YouTuber or a podcaster, and I'll leave a link to them down here below. Another thing is engaging with people. You know, another thing that actually helped my video to pop out is the richness in that content, because let me tell you, I gave it my all. If you can understand Swahili and you can go and see that video, I gave it my all. People were just asking me in the comment section everything, because I gave it my all. I did not gatekeep. I did not just try to hide things. I gave them my all, and that is why people just blew with that. And you know, another blew with that content and just ran with it. Another thing that I also actually feel like it helped me is the moment I saw that this video were catching up, I gave them. You know, like I saw this video is catching up, I would add another one, literally 2 hours, and then after 2 hours I add another one. So they will literally just grow. They will grow each other, you know, because I even went to check out my YouTube page, my TikTok. The videos that had gotten like 200 views that were below have actually skyrocketed to 2,000 to 1,000 views, you know, because people have come to my YouTube channel, my TikTok channel, and they have found other videos that actually relate with what they want. So you see, that is another thing. It helped my other videos to skyrocket. So that is something you can also try out. But here's the best part. Woo! Here is the best part. I was able to land my first client. I landed my first client on my coaching business. I have been doing this coaching business for the longest time. I have been telling people, please book a service. If you want more of this, book a call with me, book a call with me. I have been telling people since day one when I started creating this content, when I started shooting my YouTube videos. Now when my video went viral on TikTok, I had not placed that link of book a call with me. Let me tell you, I immediately ran to the Linktree. If you don't have Linktree, I'll also leave a link. You can go, it's free. You can go get started. Put all the links you need to place on your Linktree and get people to booking and buying things from you. So I placed the link of book a call with me. So book a call, I literally just went to Calendly and created that link. It's also free, and then place that link on Linktree. So Linktree carries all the links that you want to be placed on your bio, and then I took it to my bio on TikTok. So when people were coming on my messages and asking me, how can I get this, how did it, I was like, you know what, you can book a call with me. The link is on my bio. Some of them would ignore me, but I still didn't feel bad, because I was like, okay, I'm used to this. It's not like a new thing. But there's this lady, I think she was very serious. So she asked me, and I told her, okay, we cannot discuss all this in the messages. If possible, can you book a call with me? Guess what? She did. She booked a call with me. I got the email from Calendly telling me someone has booked a call. I can't display her details here, I'm sorry, but it said that someone, they gave me the name and they said they have booked a call with you on this date. I felt like jumping. Guys, I felt so happy. I felt so happy just to imagine that I have been doing this thing for the longest time, telling people to book a call with me, telling people to book my services, and I've not been getting the results. I've not been getting people doing it, but deep down in my heart I knew, you know what, I'll still push on, I'll still do this, because I know there is someone out there that God has placed that will open that door. So this video is just to encourage someone. If you have been doing content creation, you have been telling people to book your services, you've been telling people to buy your products, you've been telling people, to do something, and you've not been getting the response. Let me just be honest. Your time is coming. You may not know when, because even me, let me be honest, when I created that video, I did not expect in that sense that someone will, like book a call with me. I was expecting that maybe my views will increase, I'll get more subscribers, but never did I think that I'll get someone to book a call with me for my coaching business. And this is just to tell someone, whatever you are doing, be consistent with it. If it's here on YouTube, if it's on any platform that you are creating your content, or you are showing up in any way, be consistent. Don't get tired of telling people the same thing and feeling like nothing is coming out of it. Just keep doing what you need to do, and at the right time, God will place the right people your way. God will bring that person that needs to see the value that you carry, and they will actually tap into you and just be able to start that journey that you need to start. If it's that business, they will buy from you. If it's your coaching business, they will actually book a call with you. If it's your digital products, they will buy from you. All you need to do is keep on being consistent and keep on doing what you need to do. So once again, I love. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope someone has been encouraged. I hope someone is going to keep on pushing. And if you're just struggling in your business, book my virtual assistant services. I will help you pushing your business on the online space and taking it to the next level. And if you're someone who's just struggling in learning a skill, you're struggling in your business and you just need clarity, you can book a call with me down here. The link is down here on the descriptions or on my bio. You can just be able to book a call with me and I will walk you through. I'll be so glad to help you, because that is something I'm very passionate about and I love to do. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell. From me to you again, it's bye-bye. See you in my next video.